Survival, a word that finds its true meaning in the landscapes of Little Run of Kutch, along with the words like harsh climate, tough labor, and extreme isolation. And in this fight for survival, there's another very crucial word: education, whose absence limits the children's personal, intellectual, and social development, and repeatedly keeps them in the shackles of poverty.
सॉलिडरिटी और यूनिवर का जो प्रोग्राम है कोर, वो हम 2016 से इस एरिया में इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं। इस साल हमने लर्निंग एक्टिविटी फॉर माइग्रेंट चिल्ड्रंस ये इंटरवेंशन शुरू किया, जिसमें हम बच्चों के बेसिक एजुकेशन पे काम कर रहे हैं। उन बच्चों के जो रन में माइग्रेट होते हैं 8 महीने के लिए फॉर सॉल्ट प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी, और उनको एजुकेशन का कोई भी अदर सोर्स नहीं होता।
The foundation of the program was laid on 4 key objectives: learning, career counseling, parental counseling, and improving enrollment rate, with the ultimate goal being to continually keep the children inside the educational structure. The first thing to focus on was learning. 5 learning resource centers were set up, where teachers would use the provided materials to capture the children's attention and help them develop the necessary mathematical and language skills. And another just as important key element in giving direction to students: career counseling. Here, our representatives would focus on guiding the kids to discover their passion. Aptitude tests were taken, of which results were discussed with the students to aid them in making a more informed decision regarding their future.
મને હું અહીંયા આવીને સારે સમજાવ્યું કે આઈપીએસ ઓફિસર બનવા માટે શું ભણવું જોઈએ, શું કરવું જોઈએ, કેવી મહેનત કરવી જોઈએ.
કરિયર કાઉન્સિલિંગ વાળા કહે છે કે તું આગળ જઈને મહેનત કર, અભ્યાસ કર અને આ કોલેજમાં સારું ભણાવશે, ત્યાં મહેનત કર, તારું સપનું પૂરું થશે.
Once the children found the necessary direction, it was time to challenge the long-standing belief system. With friendly communication, focusing on making the parents realize the potential of education and its benefits for the children and family, the tide really turned around.
અમારે આ છોકરા 8 ધોરણ લગી ભણતા હતા, પછી આગળ ભણવા નથી જઈ શકતા. પછી અત્યારે અમને સાહેબે સમજાયા એટલે અમે હવે છોકરાને 9માં આગળ મૂકશું.
जब हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया था तो हम लोगों ने एक असेसमेंट लिया था बच्चों का, क्योंकि बच्चे हमारे जो पैरामीटर्स होते हैं उसको भी क्रॉस नहीं कर पाए थे। अभी इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू बच्चे में इम्प्रूवमेंट दिख रहा है, बच्चे पढ़ पा रहे हैं, लिख पा रहे हैं, वो काउंटिंग कर पाते हैं थ्रू गणितमाला।
With a reformed perspective about education, the migrant children are able to harness their young energy and bloom into a wholesome being. And the SALT community is now much more capable of ushering in the new progression.